Dear students, today let us see the oxidizing property of potassium permanganate. In previous session, we saw oxidizing property of potassium dichromate. Now, oxidizing property of potassium permanganate in all the three medium. So, potassium permanganate is a strong oxidizing agent and its oxidizing action differs in different reaction medium. So, the formula for a Mn, first you by heart this formula MnO4 minus permanganate ion and MnO4 minus manganate and MnO2 is a manganese dioxide. And potassium permanganate contains one potassium, it has carries plus one charge. If K plus is eliminated, rest is MnO4 minus is called permanganate. MnO4 minus is called permanganate. MnO4 minus gives different products in different medium. Medium means acid medium, neutral medium and alkali medium. First, if it is an acid medium, MnO4 minus gives Mn2 plus. In neutral medium, MnO4 minus convert to MnO2. In alkali medium, MnO4 minus gives MnO4 2 minus. So this is the products are produced of permanganate. It is MnO4 minus, so different products. So let us see one by one. Now we will see acid medium. Rules to be followed. First rule is if oxygen remains unbalanced, add H2O on deficient side of oxygen. If hydrogen still remains unbalanced, add H plus ion in deficient side of hydrogen. So now the parental equation is MnO4 minus gives Mn2 plus in acid medium. So first MnO4 minus and Mn2 plus, find the oxidation number of manganese in MnO4 minus. Manganese X plus 4 oxygen, valency of oxygen is minus 2. So minus 8, the total charge is minus 1. So here X minus 8 plus 1 equal to 0. X minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, X is equal to plus 7. Manganese, oxidation number is plus 7. So find the difference between these two. That is 5 is the difference. So 5 is considered as electron. That 5 electron we should put either this side or this side, will get confusion. So you just put the number of difference electron in a higher oxidation number side. So this is higher oxidation number compared to 2 plus. So here you put a 5 electrons. So here 5 electrons. So for we should have balanced the oxygen. So this side 4 oxygen, this side no oxygen. So we should write a H2O and balance the oxygen. So to balance oxygen, add H2O on deficient side of oxygen. So here 4 oxygen, so write 4 H2O. So next to balance the hydrogen, because there is no hydrogen this side, it is unbalanced. So 4 into 2, 8. So that much of H plus ion to be added on a deficient side of hydrogen is the second rule. So MnO4 minus 5 electron, 4 into 2, 8 H plus written in the deficient side of hydrogen. So now it is most probably it is balanced. Now we are going to convert this NO2 to NO3, nitrite to nitrate. If it is a lesser number, as I like that to spell. If it is higher number means 8 like that we should say. So NO2 minus is nitrite and NO3 is a nitrate ion. NO2 minus and NO3 minus. First we should find out the oxidation number of nitrogen in NO3 minus and nitrogen in NO2 minus. So let us consider this equation. Finding the oxidation number. Keep the nitrogen oxidation number as X plus 2 into minus 2 is the valency. So 2 into minus 2 minus 4 equal to total charge is minus 1. So minus 4 plus 1 equal to 0. It is minus 3. The oxidation number is minus 3 will come out. It becomes plus 3. Then X plus 3 into minus 2 is the oxidation. Oxygen number is 3. Valency is minus 2, minus 6. The total charge is minus 1. When it get inside, plus 1. So minus 5 go out, it becomes a plus 5. So plus 5 is the oxidation number of nitrogen in NO3 minus. Plus 3 is the oxidation number of nitrogen in NO2 minus. Find the difference between these two oxidation numbers. Plus 3 and plus 5, the difference is 2. So that is considered as a 2 electron. So we are supposed to put the 2 electron in a higher oxidation number side. So this side we should put a 2 electron. Here I have written a 2 electron. So when we have to compare the parental equation. In parental equation we have 5 electron, but in the question, oxidation question, we have 2 electrons. So exchange the electron and multiply. So multiply this equation by 5 and the parental equation should be multiplied by 2. In order to multiply that, you will get a 10 electron in each side. So what MnO4 minus plus 5 electron plus 8H plus Mn2 plus 4H2 into 2, we got a 2 MnO4 minus plus 10 electron plus 8 into 2, 16H plus and 2 Mn2 plus 4 into 2, 8H2. So now we have to multiply this. It is 5 NO2 minus 5 NO3 minus plus 10 electrons. So this side we have to balance the oxygen. Then here 5 into 2, 10 oxygen. Here 5 into 3, 15 oxygen. So both sides the difference is 5. So which side it is difference of only this side is the lesser number of oxygen. So to have to apply the rule. To balance oxygen, add H2O on deficient side of oxygen. Here 5 is the difference. So we should add a 5 H2O. So I have written a 5H2O this side. Next, if it is writing H5H2O, that side is a deficient of hydrogen. So to balance hydrogen, add a H plus ion on a deficient side of hydrogen. So 5 into 2, 10. So 10 H plus we should write the deficient side. So 5 NO2 minus 5 H2O gives 5 NO3 minus plus 10 electron plus 10 H plus. Now add a first equation and the second equation. That is 2 NO4 minus plus 10 electron plus 16 H plus gives 2 Mn2 plus 8 H2. Second equation 5 NO2 minus plus 5 H2O gives 5 NO3 minus plus 10 electron plus 10 H plus. Reactant side same, we should add up. Product side same, we should add up. Or if it is reactant side and product side in cross, if they are same means we should cancel. So in reactant side 10 electron, here product side 10 electron is cancelled. Here reactant side of 16H plus and product side 10H plus, cancel 6H plus here. Here in reactant side 5H2O, here in product side 8H2O, cancelling we are getting 3H2O. So add up this write like this, top bottom like that we should write. So that is 2 MnO4 minus plus 5H2O, then it is cancelled, here 6H plus gives 2 Mn2 plus, then we should write this one 5NO3 minus, next 3H2O. So this is the balanced net reaction, balanced equation. The finalized answer is 2 MnO4 minus plus 5 NO2 minus 6H plus 2 Mn2 plus 5 NO3 minus 3H2O. 3 into 2, 6H. Here also 6H. 2 Mn and 2 Mn. Here 5 into 2, 10 oxygen. Here 4 into 2, 8 plus 18 oxygen. Here 5 into 3, 15 oxygen. Here 3 oxygen, 18 oxygen. Everything is balanced. Thank you, students.